I would like to briefly introduce our graduate program. My name is Wei Dong, and I'm an associate professor and a graduate coordinator for the civil engineering program. Um, I joined UTC in 2013, and so time really flies. It's almost 8 years. So this is just a draft our program objective and outcomes. So the objective of our graduate program is to educate our graduate students to master essential technical knowledge in engineering analysis and design, uh, uh, and develop real-world problem-solving skills. So we emphasize real-world problem-solving skills, not only just cover the knowledge from the textbook. And our students get involved in, for example, a real-world engineering problem like projects from TDOT, for example, and also pursue advanced degree study and research engineering to get our students ready for example, graduate school. And actually, many of our graduates, after they graduate, they go to graduate school for their PhD study. And finally, engage in lifelong learning and professional development and professional licensure. And both our students, they are going to get their professional engineer license after graduation. Our team, we are not a very big department. However, most of us are very active in research. Like our department head, Dr. Wina, he is an expert in infrastructure and structural health monitoring and non-destructive testing. So that's his research. And Dr. Foreman is working in intelligent transportation and transportation air pollution, air quality. And Dr. Younger, that's the one on the left, the bottom. She is a pavement lady, and her research is in pavement design and materials. On the right side, top, that's our new faculty member, Dr. Osman. His research is in intelligent transportation system. And Dr. Jeja Basti, he is working in environmental and water resources. And me, my research is focused on intelligent structure and infrastructure and structural health monitoring. And this is a sample clear path. And our program requires 30 credit hours for CECS option, which means if you choose to work on CECS, then you need a total of 30 credit hours, which includes 6 credit CECS hours. And if you want to work on a project, then you need to take some extra courses. So the total required hours will be 33 hours. So basically, you may need to take 1 or 2 more courses. Most of our students will graduate within 2 years, but a few of them actually graduated within 1.5 years. So this is one research area that our department, so this is one research area. So it's urban water resources, and this is led by Dr. Jeja Basi. Frankly, I'm not really familiar with this research area, but this is the area that you may choose to work on. And intelligent transportation and smart city, and this is a very exciting area. Actually, since our department is very small, so we decided to focus on infrastructure research. And one of the area that we want to really spend efforts is intelligent transportation. Dr. Osman, that's new faculty member, and Dr. Fomlin, and actually most of us will be involved in this research. Intelligent transportation, for example, collected vehicle. So that's one example of intelligent transportation. And also, we also work on intelligent infrastructure and intelligent structure. And that's actually, for example, I'm currently working on using computer technology, that's AI, to detect payment distress, also to monitor bridge health condition. This is my last slide. These are 3 transportation research projects that our department is currently working on. These 3 projects are from Tennessee Department of Transportation. And the first one is a new payment design methodology. And the second one is so-called FDR, that's full depth FDR payments. Basically, that's you want to recycle the payment and then use the recycled materials mixed with binding material to refresh or rebuild the payment. So by doing this, you can save materials and also labor, and it's good for environment. And the last one is rating and inventory of T-dot retaining walls. And this is basically, through this project, we are going to build a retaining wall database for the T-dot. And also, we provide a method to rate the condition of the retaining wall throughout the state of Tennessee.